Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your mid-monthlies of mid-July. Okay, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Alright now. So let's start with your reading. For those who are new to my channel, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get notified about my latest videos. Okay, so for my Aquarius. Okay. Alright, so I can see that money is not an issue, but the love is. Okay, so money and love going hand in hand? No, they are not going hand in hand, they are going out of hand. Alright, so there is some kind of situation. You are in the middle of a situation where you are making money, you are all set in your work, you are working, you are doing your job well, but your partner is not happy with you, okay, or you might not even okay. Love is here, but some things are not, they are not well, they are not balanced, because people around you, your lover or anyone who is with you, there are still choices which has to be made. You are dealing with your money, you are, might be a family also, you are dealing with yes, so 10 of cups, your family with the king of rods. You are giving your 100% to your family. You are here, you are giving your 100%, you are working passionately, you have many choices to make, you have work as well, so you are actually balancing everything, I see. But still there are some issues. Let's see what are the issues. Yeah, okay, so it's not you, it's them, I feel. Okay, so there might be an issue in your marriage. For some people, you are dealing with, you are loving a person who is very immature, very immature. You want family with this person, might already you have been married with this person, but this person is very immature, because I can see you are the king of rods over here and you are dealing with a page, see, and you are seeing towards this person because you love this person, no matter how much immature they are, how much childish their behavior is. But what to do? You have your family as well, you have your work as well, you have so many things to deal with, but you are not able to do because of their immature behavior. Yeah. Okay. There is a completion over here which is coming to an end at the end. Okay. Are you involved with someone else? Or there is someone who is here who is telling, who is actually watching your family, your happy family. See how this person is watching this family so secretively, and they are busy with themselves, but this person has some motives towards them, I feel, and this person wants to end something. So there, it is not hidden. You or might be the other person with whom you are dealing with knows this, that you are going with your family, you are happy with your family. Might be a person, there might be two people involved in this situation, might be a person from your past as well, I feel over here, who is like, okay, so you want to start a family now. No, I won't let you do, my dear. So you are, that person might affect your coming relationship with the other person over here. There's a JCB outside over here, and they're making really noise, a lot of noise. Okay, so but the things which are actually hidden. So this thing, somebody knows this thing, whosoever this person is. But the hidden thing is, it might be a family member of yours. This person might be very calm from outside, but might be a father figure or someone, or might be your mother as well, because both the cards are here. Those cards which actually deal with a lot of work from your mind. So I can feel that there is something which you need to notice now. There is someone who is very calm from outside, who is very much like, yes, I love you a lot, but this person actually is not so good. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So it might be your mother as well. I can see two cards of a motherly figure: the Empress, the Fool, and the Hanged Man. So there was a decision which was pending, and your mother or someone whom you love, who actually cares for you a lot, is actually telling you, because you are leaving that situation. I see there is someone who is who is entering into this relationship like a fool, like someone very enthusiastically, I want to enter this relationship. If this person, see, I told you that you are involving with a person who is very immature, but love is there. You love this person a lot, but the other people around you do not think that this person is good for you. I don't see that it's you who will be ending this thing, but in future it might be, because you are in that place before that. I want to work with this person. I am going to be with this person for all my life. I am not going to leave this person. Yes, and that is why. But because of your family members, or because of someone whom you feel like there is an emotional bond with that person, he or she is telling you that think once again before taking any decision. So you actually started thinking because of that person, and then what you actually you are actually taking a step of ending. I see that. Okay, fine, I really need to move on. If that requires leaving this person in my life, I have to move on, then no problem. Because there is no choice. I feel you are in that place where it's like that you are taking a decision by yourself. It's looking like that it's you who is taking this decision to move on, to just end that relationship. But the reality is, you don't have any choice. Your hands are tied. You cannot even decide what to do. So that is why you took this decision, and you just ditch this person or whatever. I think that it's not you who are doing this, it's someone else. Because of coming into someone else's influence, you are doing this. Because I can see, yeah, 6 of Cups with the Moon and the Hanged Man, the other person. So there is someone who is hiding the exact feelings. This person might be a past person as well. So for some people, it might be a person whom you were dating before, a past person, so who do not want you to move on with this new person in your life. But what can you do? Your hands are tied, because you are actually feeling for, you have to see your family as well. So that is why you cannot do anything. Yeah. So King of Swords, the Hermit, and 3 of Wands in your guidance energy. So there is a place where you need to think. You are entering in that zone where you are thinking about it. You are searching yourself. You are searching. You are finding the answers. That what can I do? I am taking a decision from my mind. I know that, because what people are telling me to do, I'm doing that thing, but from inside, what do I want? Do I really want to end this? Do I? So you are in that thing, I see. Okay, the Tower with the Queen of Rods and the Ace of Swords. It's the decision which you have made. So there is some kind of a clarity. I see you are getting some kind of a clarity with regards with this ending, but this ending is actually giving something new. You know what I feel, that you are not going to end this relationship. It's you are ending that manipulative energy which you are ending. If you are getting manipulated by a person in your life, about this new person, about this person whom you actually love, and you know that if they are behaving so childish, I don't care, I don't care, I don't give a damn, because this is my family, this is the person I love. So that is why I feel that you have taken a decision where you feel like, okay, I'm getting manipulated, but at the end you will get a clarity, because there was something which was hidden. But I can see with the Ace of Swords that something which was hidden is coming onto the surface, and you are finally taking a step, and you are ending the manipulative energy in your life. You are not ending the relationship, you are ending that person who is actually manipulating you. Okay, so that's all from my side, my Aquarius. I really hope you like the reading. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.